Thailand's Supreme Court has cleared self-exiled former Prime Minister Yingluck Shinawatra of negligence. Ms. Yingluck and 5 other officials were acquitted of a decade-old case involving a roadshow to promote Thailand. And they were previously accused of not carrying out a proper bidding process for the $6.7 million project. Now, the verdict adds fuel to speculation about her potential return to the country. CNA's Saksith Saiyasombut has this report.
The acquittal of Yingluck Shinawatra is the last legal pending case against her and is only increasing the chances for the former Prime Minister to return home after years of self-exile. Thailand's Supreme Court found her and 5 other officials not guilty for negligence in organizing a government roadshow over a decade ago. The accusation was that 2 companies received preferential treatment as there was no bidding process for that. The court has revoked an arrest warrant against her, so does this mean that all the legal hurdles against Thailand's first female prime minister are gone now? Well, not quite. In 2017, she was convicted to 5 years in prison in another case, also for her negligence, specifically in her government's controversial rice pledging scheme. On that day of the verdict, Yingluck fled the country and has been in self-exile ever since. For many years, she was sharing the same fate as her brother Thaksin. Both were prime ministers, both had strong political bases, both were toppled from power in military coups, he in 2006, she in 2014, and both fleeing abroad from what they say are politically motivated court cases against them. The question many observers are asking now is not if Ms. Yingluck is going to come back home to Thailand, but rather when and how. Last August, Thaksin Shinawatra returned to Thailand after 15 years of self-exile, despite a criminal conviction against him. But instead of serving 8 years in jail for various offenses such as abuse of power and corruption, he was in a hospital for 6 months due to ill health, and that was also used as an argument for a successful royal pardon and an early parole release last month. This could serve as the blueprint for Yingluck as well. Fly back home, spend a short amount of time in some form of incarceration, and then being released early. For better or worse, Thaksin and his family have influenced Thai politics for over 2 decades now. He is the original founder and patriarch of the ruling Pheu Thai party. After all, his youngest daughter, Paetongtarn, is leading the party. And if, or rather when, Yingluck Shinawatra is finally coming back home to Thailand, it will be a happy reunion for the family after so many years apart. But given their influence, their next steps in the political field will be closely watched. Saksith Saiyasombut, CNA Bangkok.